Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these panties based on the basic panty pattern, and I will leave a link with my sewing course in the description under this video. So let's start. First we fold the lace face to face, then we need to place the pattern on the fold of the lace and pin it to the lace. Now we cut out the pattern, remove the pins and get the front part of the panties. We take the lace again, put it face to face, put the gusset pattern to the fold of the fabric, pin it, cut it out, and we get the gusset. We also need to cut a cotton gusset for the lining. It's better to use 100% cotton to avoid any allergic reactions. And we also put the cotton fabric face to face. Now we need to get the back of the panties. We fold the lace face to face, pin it and cut it out. Since we lack the white of the lace, we can't place the back part similar to the front one. That's why on the fold side of the pattern we add a 1 cm allowance to connect these two parts. I'm going to use this elastic band and sew it on the leg lines and the top line of the panties. Sew a straight stitch here to connect the two parts, put the lace face to face. Connect the front part of the panties, gusset and lining. Put face to face the front part of the panties and the gusset, then pin it. Then turn over what we have, take the lining and put it face down and pin it. Next, sew a straight stitch here. After you have laid a straight stitch, pin the top layer of the allowance and at the bottom layer of the allowance cut 0.5 cm. Remove the pins, and now we need to wrap the long layer of the seam allowance over the short one and pin it. Now use a hand needle to stitch. Next, close the open cut as follows. Then lay a straight stitch 1 to 2 mm from the edge. Now we connect the back part of the panties, the gusset and the lining. First we put the back part of the panties and the gusset face to face and pin them together. Next connect the gusset and the lining so that the front and back part of the panties are between them and pin them together. Then lay a straight stitch at the distance of the allowance, in our case it is 1 cm. Next, we connect the sides of the panties in the same way as we connected the two halves of the back of the panties. Now we pin the elastic band to the panties. To make it easier to do this, you can find the middle of the elastic band and the middle of the curved line of the legs. To make it even easier, you can divide the elastic band into 4 equal parts respectively. The leg curve line you also divide into 4 equal parts. Then we spread the elastic band evenly. And next, match the marks and pin the elastic to the lace. In the same way, pin the elastic to the other leg curve line and to the top of the panties. Next, we sew the elastic band to the panties. First, sew a zigzag close to the shapely edge, then bend the elastic and sew a zigzag close to the other edge. The panties are ready. Don't forget to subscribe so I know you like what I'm doing.